Yeah, I just got this Horusdy Professional Tools Rivet Nut Toolkit off of eBay. Those are the nuts. And it's in a nice little box. I've drilled a hole to show you how good it does. I've never used these before. I've always used, instead of rivet nuts, I've used the press insert nuts. See, you find the one that fits on there. These are all labeled. These are the different mandrels. And they just all bolt down into the tip. And it's in there with a little insert pin. And this, if you buy this brand, there's no instructions with it. Just right here and kind of right here. It just tells you what. Now it doesn't even tell you what to do. It kind of shows you. Then it lists all the different sizes. You just spread it apart and twist that all the way down. Let's see, I'll do it through this side. You turn this to get it out. There it is. Nice and secure. Those don't turn either once they're in, if they're in there tight. And this part, just got this little wrench to undo this part. And then you get a little pin in the center. And you just have to pop that out. Then you can put it in a different one. That's all there is to it. It just has different sizes, and you can see the different size rivet nuts. Not a bad little tool. I just wish they had the instructions were just a little more clear. See that action? It just pulls that rivet nut down and just squishes it. That's about it. I don't remember the price on this one, but you can find Horusdy. It looked better in the pictures. It looked better than the other ones, and it seems pretty solid. That's it.